Hi friends, I am Ruben. In this video we discuss about the pivot points, how to use the pivot points effectively. Let's see. The pivot points are the support and resistance level to forecast the future price movement and to set the target for the trade. The next one is this is the pivot point calculations, the formula. The pivot point means P means central line. It is called high plus low plus close divided by 3, and then the resistance 1 R1 equal to P into pivot into 2 minus low, and then the resistance 2 is R2 equal to P plus high minus low, and then support 1 is S1 equal to P into 2 pivot into 2 minus high, and the support 2 is called S2 equal to P minus the high minus low. This is the formula. The next one is the pivot point calculations. For the 5 minutes charts, the previous day data is used. For hourly chart, the previous week data is used. For daily chart, previous month data is used for the previous pivot point calculation. And the next one is this is the pivot point. You can see that the central blue is the pivot line, the central line, and then the upper is the 5 resistance line, and the lower is the 5 support lines. And the next one is here you can see that the pivot points is the blue line, and then the resistance 1 and then resistance 2 in the upper side. The particular share, the candlestick cross the pivot points, then you go for the buy position. And also you know about the trend, if the trend is uptrend or downtrend, and then you can go for the buy position. And the next one is if the particular share comes down the pivot line, the blue line, then you can go for the sell position. And here you know about if the trend is uptrend or downtrend. These are all the pivot points lines. These are very important for the intraday as well as the other trading. If you have any doubts in this concept, please ask me in the comment section. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you friends.